This is the newly modernized elevator at the Andy Warhol Museum in the North Shore of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is originally a Schindler, or what? Yeah, I think Schindler with Atom survivor fixtures, but now it's been modernized by Otis, our favorite company, who modernizes everything at the Carnegie Museums. Not think they were going to modernize this. Got underground. Here we go down. Got the original indicator with LEDs and the Otis indicator. The Otis indicator doesn't have arrows. Here underground. They replaced the squares, but when it was still originally had incandescent lights. Up to 7. Here you go up. Vibrating. Try to watch both indicators. Wow. Oh my god, it's still on. You're at 7. I'm sad they didn't modernize this. The freight elevator's still original, but they painted the doors. Go back down to 1. They painted the doors, it appears on every floor but 1. Basic stainless steel cab. I think it's original cab. New flooring. Same lighting, it looks like. Actually, they may have redone the flooring when it was still original. I'm not sure. You're back at 1. We did not stop once. That's shocking. How close enough it's going to be at.